Welcome sa Chef Angel Kitchen. Lutong tunay, lutong Pinoy. Sarap na siguradong babalik-balikan. Kaya tara na at magluto tayo.
Hello po mga katropa, welcome back again sa Chef Angel Kitchen. At para sa vlog natin today, isang malaking karangalan dahil invited tayo bilang official judge sa isang cooking and baking competition dito sa STI Global City. Makikita natin today ang talento, creativity at passion ng mga estudyante pagdating sa pagluluto at baking. Kaya samahan nyo ako mga katropa mula preparation hanggang sa final judging. So mga katropa, andito na po tayo ngayon sa loob ng STI Global City. So mag-prepare na po tayo para sa events natin for today. So mga katropa, punta muna tayo sa kanilang kusina. Silipin natin para makita natin at ma-familiarize kung saan gaganapin yung cooking competition nila mamaya. So guys, ito na po yung kanilang kusina. Sobrang lawak, maaliwalas, malinis. At hands-on na po yung mga instructor dito. Andito na rin po yung mga estudyante nagpre-prepare. Grabe mga katropa, pagpasok pa lang natin dito sa STI Global City, ramdam mo agad yung excitement. Ang gaganda ng setup nila today. Kumpleto ang cooking station, baking area, at syempre very competitive ang mga students. Napakaganda talaga kapag binigyan ng pagkakataon ang mga estudyante na may pakita yung kanilang skills at creativity sa culinary arts. Honestly, natutuwa ako kasi naalala ko yung mga first cooking competition ko dati. Nakaka-pressure pero sobrang fulfilling. Please welcome our judges for today's cooking and baking competition. Kasama natin today ang iba't ibang professional at chefs. At syempre, thankful ako dahil isa tayo sa napiling mag-judge ngayong event.
Kagisan ng Talino Chef Express 2026. We are gathered today to honor the exceptional talent and innovative spirit within the culinary world. Our esteemed panel of judges, passionate and highly experienced culinary professional with a rich background in food and baking. Currently the owner of both Aging's Food Delights and Purple Bake Shop. Mr. Mercado is renowned for his customized cake and signature flavors. He is also a sought-after consultant chef, having most recently worked with Tito Burns Farm Restaurant, and has a strong foundation in cake decorating and his time as a cake decorator in Lolly Cake Factory. Let's give a round of applause, Mr. Greggy Mercado.
A culinary icon who has dedicated decades to shaping the gastronomic landscape of the Philippines. Her career is a testament to innovation, blending refined Filipino techniques with international cuisine, earning her the title of Culinarian Ambassadress of the United Hoteliers of the Philippines. Chef Z is a board director for the Academy of Culinary Excellence, an influential consultant for prestigious restaurants, and has collaborated with major hotel enterprises. Awarded Asia's Most Outstanding Chef of the Year 2022, her expertise extends to being a celebrated culinary instructor and a featured personality in top publications. Beyond the kitchen, she is a sought-after speaker at prestigious hotels and a prominent brand ambassador for numerous beloved companies. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to the extraordinary, the inspiring Chef Z. And lastly, we introduce you all an exceptional culinary talent, Chef Angelo Buenconchilo. With a career spanning over 26 years, he has dedicated himself at the art of cooking aboard international sea-going vessels, where he has skillfully navigated diverse kitchens and multinational cuisines. Chef Angelo is not just a chef, he is a passionate food blogger and content creator for his engaging YouTube channel, Chef Angel Kitchen. His passion for food transcends the plate as he delights in sharing authentic culinary experiences
showcasing his expertise in Japanese, European, Indian, and Korean cuisines. In addition to his extensive culinary experience, Chef Angelo holds a Bachelor of Science degree in Marine Engineering from the University of Iloilo. Let us welcome Chef Angelo Buenconchilo.
Excited ako matikman ang dishes nila today. Tingnan natin kung sino ang may pinakamagandang presentation, tamang lasa, at creativity. And the competition officially starts now. Makikita nyo, ito yung mga ingredients na kanilang gagamitin sa kanilang pagluluto ngayon. Makikita mo talaga yung pressure habang tumatakbo ang oras. May nagpi-plate na, may naghahalo ng butter, may nagluluto ng sauce. May mga contestant na napakabilis ng knife skills, habang ang iba naman ay very organized sa kanilang mise en place. Bilang judge, hindi lang lasa ang tinitingnan natin. Mahalaga rin ang sanitation, teamwork, time management, creativity, at presentation. Isa sa mga hinahanap namin bilang judge ay proper hygiene, teamwork, creativity, taste, presentation, time management. At ito ang pinaka-exciting na bahagi, ang pagtikim ng kanilang mga entries. Una natin tinitingnan ang presentation. Sabi nga nila, we eat with our eyes first. Pagkatapos ay ang aroma, texture, at syempre ang overall taste. May mga dishes na talagang nagpapakita ng creativity at magandang flavor balance. Sa baking category naman, napakagandang makita kung paano nila hinahalo at binubuo ang kanilang mga pastries at desserts. At isa sa mga napansin ko ay ang kanilang passion sa culinary arts. Kahit may pressure at time limit, hindi sila nawawalan ng focus. Ang iba ay kinakabahan, pero normal lang yon sa competition. Ang mahalaga ay natututo sila sa bawat challenge na kanilang hinaharap.